In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a non-disclosure agreement using Google Docs templates. Crafting a non-disclosure agreement, or NDA, is a crucial step in protecting sensitive information, whether it's for a business deal, a freelance project, or an employment contract. Let's walk through the process step by step to help you easily create an NDA using Google Docs. First, let's discuss how to select a suitable template. The right template will depend on the type of agreement you're looking to draft. Luckily, several sources offer ready-made NDA templates that you can conveniently open and edit within Google Docs. These include a free NDA template specifically designed for Google Docs by ClickUp, as well as a library of templates available on template.net. Additionally, you can find general NDA templates across the web that are compatible with Google Docs. Selecting the appropriate template is essential, so consider your specific scenario. Is it a one-way or mutual NDA? Is it intended for an employee or a contractor? Choose a template that matches these criteria to ensure your agreement is relevant and effective. Once you have identified the template you need, it's time to create or copy it into your Google Docs. Begin by opening the template via your chosen source. If the template is already in Google Docs format, the process is straightforward. Simply head to the top left of the screen, click on File, and then select Make a Copy. This step is important. It provides you with an editable version that is all your own. It's much easier to customize and means you won't be altering the original version that others might also be using. After making the copy, rename the document to reflect the specific parties involved in the agreement. A useful format might be something like NDA, Party A, and Party B. This helps everyone immediately understand the document's context and makes it easier for you to locate in the future. The final organizational step involves placing your newly created NDA in the right location within your Google Drive. Move it into an appropriate folder where you keep other related documents. This not only keeps your drive organized, but also ensures that the document is easily accessible and shareable with other relevant parties when needed. Remember, sharing the document with others involved while controlling the editing permissions is often necessary. But this easy organization step helps facilitate smoother collaboration. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and efficiently create a functional and professional non-disclosure agreement using Google Docs templates. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.